Okay, we're insulating the van. So what I did right now was I did up here. This is all insulated. And then I did underneath here. Let's see. Hold on. Under there too. So I'll have it down here, ceiling here. Goes along. And then I put it through these here, through the screws. It's nice and taut, it's not going anywhere. And then just goes up in through the paneling and then more Velcro on top. Simple, works great. Just go get some screen from Home Depot or Lowe's. I left a little extra just in case. Well, here's one way to put air conditioning in the van when you're not running it. Exhaust hose. Hey, it's cooling. I'm not complaining. Gotta keep the doggy cool.